Located in Kentucky, Fort Campbell is one of the largest United States Army installations in the world. We consider the Fort Campbell area one of our homes, with our office in Clarksville, Tennessee, right near the base. If you're moving to or visiting this part of the country, we'd like to welcome you to the neighborhood. Here are some local sites and activities our Clarksville team recommends. The scenic McGregor Park riverfront promenade and park is a favorite destination for locals and visitors, boasting a 1-mile running trail and jaw-dropping views of the river. On Saturdays between late May and October, you'll find the Clarksville Downtown Market, packed with handcrafted items, fresh fruits, and vegetables, all locally produced. On select days, the market features live music and appearances by Corny the Cob, the official market mascot. If you're passionate about music, you won't want to miss the Jammin' in the Alley annual free concert series that comes to Clarksville's Strawberry Alley every summer. Bring a chair and relax on Friday evenings while watching local bands play all different types of music. Click the link in the description below for more fun and unique events you can find around Fort Campbell.